In 1977, a frustrated man walked into a department store to buy lingerie for his wife, only to feel out of place and embarrassed. This was the experience of Roy Raymond, a man who had a vision to revolutionize the way lingerie was sold. Raymond found himself in a predicament shared by many men: the discomfort of buying intimate apparel for their significant others in a space that was not designed with them in mind. This experience sparked an idea of a different kind of store. A specialty store that would cater to men, making them feel comfortable and confident while shopping for lingerie. A store that would break the barriers and redefine the shopping experience for intimate apparel. And so, armed with an idea, a vision, and the will to make it a reality, Raymond took a leap of faith. With a bank loan of $40,000 and an equal amount pooled from relatives, he embarked on his journey and launched Victoria's Secret, a store designed to make men feel comfortable while shopping for lingerie. In just 5 years, Victoria's Secret had grown into a $4 million business with a chain of stores. This wasn't just a fluke, it was the result of a unique approach to lingerie retailing that turned heads and opened wallets. Victoria's Secret had a knack for creating an atmosphere of sophistication and romance, making lingerie shopping a luxurious experience rather than a mundane task. It was an approach that resonated deeply with women, and the sales figures were there to prove it. But behind the scenes, things were not as rosy. The rapid growth of the business was a double-edged sword. On one hand, it was a testament to the company's success. On the other, it brought with it mounting debts and the relentless pressure of keeping the business afloat. It was a weight that founder Roy Raymond found increasingly hard to bear. In a surprising turn of events, Raymond sold the company to the Limited Inc. in 1982 for about $1 million. The decision was met with mixed reactions. Some saw it as a failure, while others viewed it as a smart move given the circumstances. But there was one thing that everyone agreed on. Victoria's Secret was a brand with enormous potential, and it was now in the hands of a new owner. Little did Raymond know, this sale would mark the beginning of a new era for Victoria's Secret. Under the new ownership of the Limited, Victoria's Secret underwent a complete transformation. The company's new direction was to shift the focus from a male audience to female customers. This would prove to be a game changer, positioning Victoria's Secret as a brand that empowers women, allowing them to feel confident and beautiful in their own skin. The Limited, with its keen sense of the market pulse, realized that the key to success lay in making the brand more approachable and appealing to women. The company began by remodeling the stores. The dark boudoir-inspired interiors were replaced with brighter, more open spaces that invited customers to explore and shop at their leisure. But the transformation didn't stop at the store's aesthetics. The Limited introduced a new business model that would soon become a hallmark of Victoria's Secret, the catalog business. The catalogs, filled with high-quality photographs of models donning the brand's latest offerings, were mailed directly to customers' homes. This innovative approach not only made shopping for lingerie more convenient, but also brought the brand into the mainstream, making it a household name. The most notable highlight of this transformation, however, was the launch of the iconic Victoria's Secret fashion show in 1995. With its blend of fashion, entertainment, and celebrity, the show was unlike anything else in the industry. It was more than just a marketing tool. It was a spectacle, an annual event that millions around the world eagerly anticipated. The fashion show, with its dazzling array of stunning models, known as the Angels, strutting down the runway in extravagant lingerie, elevated the brand to a whole new level. It became a platform where the company could showcase its latest collections while creating an aspirational image that resonated with women worldwide. Every facet of the transformation was meticulously planned and executed, from the store redesign to the catalog business and the groundbreaking fashion show. These significant changes redefined not just the brand, but the entire lingerie industry. With these changes, Victoria's Secret quickly became one of the top lingerie retailers in the world. The company's transformation is a testament to the power of understanding your audience and adapting to their needs. It's a story of change, resilience, and success, and continues to inspire businesses everywhere. Like any empire, Victoria's Secret had its fair share of ups and downs. The journey wasn't always a bed of roses, and the brand encountered some thorny challenges along the way. One of the main challenges was the fierce competition in the market. With a plethora of brands vying for the same consumer base, Victoria's Secret had to constantly innovate, striving to stay ahead of the curve. Then, there were the changing consumer preferences. The brand witnessed a shift in what consumers wanted, from overtly sexy to subtly sensual, from one-size-fits-all to customized fits, from the conventional beauty standards to a more inclusive representation. The challenge was not just to keep up with these changes, but to lead them. The brand also faced criticism for its lack of diversity and inclusivity. Critics argued that Victoria's Secret's narrow representation of beauty was out of touch with the reality of modern women. This criticism was a wake-up call for the brand. In response, Victoria's Secret began to evolve. It expanded its product range to cater to a wider audience. It promoted body positivity by featuring models of different sizes, shapes, and backgrounds. The brand started to celebrate diversity in its truest sense, breaking away from its previously restrictive image. Despite the hurdles, Victoria's Secret has demonstrated resilience, evolving with time and continuing to dominate the lingerie market. This iconic brand's journey is a testament to the fact that challenges can lead to triumphs if faced with determination and a willingness to adapt. Today, Victoria's Secret is more than just a lingerie brand. It's a testament to the power of evolution and resilience. It's an emblem of inclusivity and diversity, a beacon of body positivity that has rewritten the narrative of lingerie fashion. With a journey that saw humble beginnings in San Francisco, the brand has blossomed into a global powerhouse that is Victoria's Secret today. Rooted in its commitment to meet consumer demands, Victoria's Secret continues to innovate, adapt, and evolve. It's not just about selling lingerie, it's about empowering women to feel confident and beautiful in their own skin. It's about breaking stereotypes and redefining standards. The brand stands today as a symbol of triumph over challenges, a testament to the power of perseverance, and a beacon of progressive change in the fashion industry. From a single store in San Francisco to a global lingerie empire, Victoria's Secret has truly come a long way. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the inspiring journey of Victoria's Secret.